Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare tomato stew for my staff. So guys can see the stew in the fire. It's frying. This is tomato stew for my staff. So here I boiling chicken. The chicken is for this. It's not for staff. So to say the truth, it's not for staff. This is the staff meat, beef, that is going with the stew. So I'm going to prepare white rice and stew for them. You know, when you have staff, give them food, make them eat well so that they will manage your company well. If you didn't treat your staff well, they will not treat you well. So I'm preparing this stew. So guys know how tomato is very expensive in the market now. So but I didn't mind. The basket of tomato in the market now is 14,000 naira. Before it was 6,000. But now this is not the season of tomato. So it's the season of pepper now. So that I just want to do rice and stew for them. It has been long they eat rice and stew. They have been eating jollof rice, eating tomato, and all those things. But I decided to use fresh tomato and make stew for them today. So after the stew done, I will drop it on the ground, then prepare their white rice. So I just want to share with you guys that it's good. Treat your staff well, so that if they are managing your business, they will now managing it well. But if you didn't treat them well, they will not manage it well for you. They will say that wicked woman, that wicked man, they give them food, they give them anything, then pay them salary in time too. Because everybody have problem to solve and the condition of the country. So I just want to show you guys, treat your staff well. Give them food, pay them salary well, pay them so that your business will go well. So I just want to share it with you people. So this is their stew. It's done. I'll off the light, fry their meat, put it inside, prepare their white rice. They'll eat belly food. I will not give them half plate, give them full plate. Make them eat belly food, then they will see road to walk well. So I just want to share with you people that it's good to treat staff well. Treat your staff well. If you are a madam in your shop or in your company or oga or anywhere, please treat your staff very well. Give them all the support they need, because they are human beings like you. Treat them well, pay them in time, give them food to eat. Even sometimes if they don't have transport, if you are in the need of helping them, give them 1,000 and something, 2,000 and something, help them. So that them I will pray better prayer for you. But if you didn't treat them well, sorry, they will not pray better prayer for you, and they will not manage your company well. I just want to show you these few things that is good to treat your staff very well, so that they will manage your company well. This is their stew, and this is their meat in the fire. I will cook their rice and serve them. They are eating anything from 12 o'clock. Everybody will come and eat. So thanks for watching. I just want to share with you that it's good to treat your staff very well, so that they will manage your business well. Thank you, and we meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.